Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up your Telegram downloads with a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're connected to a fast and stable Wi-Fi network. If you're currently using mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi, as it's usually more stable and faster. Also, if your Wi-Fi has a 5 GHz option, connect to that for better speed. Next, let's optimize a couple of things in the Telegram app itself. Open Telegram, go to the settings, and find Data and Storage. Here, tap on Storage Usage and clear the app cache. Sometimes, a full cache can cause performance issues, including slow downloads, so it's good to clear this out regularly. Another option to improve download speeds is to consider upgrading to Telegram Premium. One of the key benefits of the premium version is faster download speeds. Telegram places some limits on downloads for free users, but upgrading will remove those limits and allow you to download media much quicker. And that's it! By following these steps, you should notice faster download speeds on Telegram. Make sure your internet connection is strong and stable, as that's often the main factor in slow downloads. If this tutorial helped, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.